Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I have a new bob wig to share with you guys today. Perfect for all of this heat, so if you're interested, keep on watching. Alright guys, so this wig is from Alipearl Hair, and in the spirit of summer, I thought it would be great to show you guys another bob wig. So this wig does have an ample amount of parting space with 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back. And here I'm just taking some foundation that's pretty much like my skin tone but a little bit tanner, and putting it on the lace. And now I am just taking my flat ironing and running it through the hair. So here's my favorite tool to use. I say this all the time, but if you guys do not have a electric hot comb, and if you are, you know, a wig wearer, or even if you're not, spending $20 on this little tool helps to just make your wigs look a whole lot more natural. This combo right here is what I always use whenever I am laying my wig down. I always use a thin layer of the Got to Be Glued in the yellow bottle, and then I take my blow dryer right here, dance a little bit, and then I take a little bit of the Got to Be Glued freeze spray, take the blow dryer again, and blow dry it just a little bit to get it tacky, and then apply my wig and then just lay it down. So that is the step that I take. It typically doesn't fail me, and you guys are gonna see that I left a little bit of crusty dusties in my hairline right there by my baby hair. I completely forgot to take some alcohol like I typically do and wipe that off. I don't know what I was thinking today. I just was not thinking, so just kind of ignore that. And yeah, so I didn't want to do a lot of baby hair either with this bob wig. I'm trying to get away from baby hair, but it's so hard. It's such a challenge. But anyways, I'm gonna let you guys finish watching this video. Stay tuned in just a little bit so I can give you guys my final thoughts and all that jazz about this particular wig. And yeah, don't go anywhere. So today I'm just going to give you a quick rundown on this bob wig that I'm wearing. It is from Alipearl Hair. This is their straight bob wig, and let me give you the specifics of it real quick. It's 14 inches. The color is the natural color. It's 180% density, and it is a size large. Pretty much this is a very easy wig. All my girls that are looking for a very easy, summer friendly, heat friendly wig, this is going to be something that is going to be right up your alley. It is 14 inches long. I went with 14 inches simply because I wasn't sure if I wanted it to like hit my shoulders, or if I wanted the option like to bring it up. And honestly, whenever it comes to a bob, I would always say go a little bit longer than exactly what you want, because sometimes when you get it, it can end up being shorter, and you can't add in hair when it comes to a bob. You can't add in hair, period. So it's just better to play it safe, because you can always cut to your liking. So I don't know exactly what I want to do with the length. I think I need to bring it up just maybe an inch. And I think that would be good enough. But as for now, it just is what it is. So it's 180% density, which is something that I always pretty much stick to whenever it comes to wigs. Maybe I think with this wig, you could definitely go up to 200% if offered, but if not, 180% will do just fine. It's not super thin, but it's not too thick either. Again, when it comes to a bob wig, you don't want it too thick, because then it's just gonna look super wiggy, and then you don't want it too thin either, because it's gonna be just not enough hair. So it's a fine line, and I have found that 180% density works for me, my taste, my style, or whatever. So you kind of have to figure out just what works for you. Oh, one major thing I wanted to point out with this wig is the hairline. I thought the hairline was pretty good. You really did not need to pluck, which I didn't do. So most people wear a bob style in a middle part, sometimes a side part. But yeah, those are pretty much the two styles you're gonna see it in. And for me, I just thought it was nice for them to have thought about the hairline. No matter how you were gonna wear this wig, even though it's shorter, even though it's bob-like or whatever, they still thought about the hairline, which is something that I see personally a lot of companies don't do. So this is also a super affordable wig. Hello, yes it is, I promise you. Alipearl is also one of my favorite companies to wear. They're definitely in my top 5. And this wig, when I just did it, it comes in at like $110, $107, something like that. No more than $110, which is awesome. It's 14 inches, the exact one that I'm wearing, which I think is great. I think that is a great price. And especially you're gonna get the quality that you are looking for as well. So, other than that, you guys, not too much else to say. Great job, Alipearl. You guys never let me down. This cute wig. I don't know what kind of vibe I'm bringing it with this shirt. I think I'm gonna change my shirt or something like that. I'm feeling extra momish, but I am a mom. But you guys know what I'm trying to say. I'm just feeling a little mature-ish. I don't know. Anyways, but yeah, great job, Alipearl. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments or anything like that, you guys know the drill. Put them down below. You know I'll answer you. And yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.